All right, y'all. Another filler video here for the, what is this, a subscription, monthly subscription to Sterling Ink. So if you want to see what I got in this order, stick around. All right, this is for Sterling Ink. I just thought I'd put this here because one of my favorite traveler's notebooks. It's so pretty. I don't even remember what I have in that one either, but it matched. So it got in the picture, in the thumbnail. And I have not even looked at this. I have seen some spoilers on, what's it called? Instagram, maybe, or even here on YouTube. And yes, this isn't quite as messy, but I'm always picking at things and trying to organize things, so sorry about that. It's finally cleaned up from the journal, and I just started another one, so yeah. But I haven't actually touched this, opened it, just opened up the big mailer, and that's it. So let's see what we have here. I believe this is for April. Well, I guess it'd have to be, because I think the last one I did was March, so I don't want to mess it up. So pretty. Alrighty, what we got here? Of the wrapper here. Ooh, that's pretty. It's got some purples in there. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Move that out of the way. All right, let's take a look at the Vellum first. And anybody who's been around here for any amount of time knows that I love planner stuff. This is the Vellum. Let's see. Are these the same? Weird. It's two of the same one, looks like. Usually you get different ones. Is there anything different here? I'm trying to figure out. Just have to give me a second here. I actually fixed my camera where I think I can actually do things without having to reach so far ahead. But, yeah, they're exactly the same. Weird. Usually you get two different pieces, but whatever. It is gorgeous. Look at that. The purples in there. It's like a blue purple, blue violet, red violet. Little pops of yellow and orange. Very nice. That's very pretty. So let's move on to the stickers and things. I believe there's 2 levels to this subscription, and I believe I have the higher level, which is $35. I want to say the other one's probably $25, but don't hold me to that. But it's always beautiful. I love setting up my monthly with these things, with the kits here. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Can you see it well enough? You see the April? It has the same pattern. It's the same vellum. So pretty. Oh, just beautiful. And then we have, let's see here, this size stickers. Dang, I feel like there's a lot. Probably the same amount as I always get. It just seems like a lot. These are clear, I do believe. Yes. I can't remember if they're all like this or if you get a choice between clear and white paper. But I want to say it's all clear. I'm not positive again. I'm coming to you again without my information. Just kind of doing the spur of the moment while I wait for my cover on my journal that I'm making to dry. I thought, let's just go ahead and film some stuff. So, very pretty. Those are really pretty little collages of things. Flowers, words. I have them. And this one, oh, I love it. The book. Books. Yes, there's books. What's this one here? Is that another book? I'm not sure. But yeah, that's, yeah, those, it looks like books to me anyway. That's a book, obviously, open. Letter. So pretty. And these are boxes? Is that a box or is that a shape? No, they have shapes to those. I feel like such a dork when I do this because I've only gotten this for, is this my 2nd month? Yes. Oh, and you can get every month a free printable of, that you print out yourself in various sizes, or you can pick the size you want if you sign up for her what do you call it, email. If you sign up on the site, I'll have links in the description box, and then you can print out your, there's a larger one for whatever size you're using, and then a smaller little one that you can use in different areas of your journal. Oh, look at that. Yes. So cute. It is. It's like books and writing. I love that. And just these little decorative layering pieces. Then we have 4 weeks full. 4 weeks worth of day covers. So pretty. And then you get 2 of the date dots, which will work for you to set up your monthly and for setting up your weekly. So you get enough to take care of those important, very important parts of your planning. I like the colors. They're just very soft and pretty. And then we have some bigger stickers here. Obviously, you can see that, can't you? Let me try to peel one up here. Maybe, maybe not. Can I? Wow, I can see the line. There it is. So you can see. They are so pretty. It's so nice that they're like that, so you could put color underneath it. And then we have some washi here, 2 pages of washi. There's 3 of the smaller, and what size is this? This is like a 15 millimeter, I want to say. Is that, that's not 3 of those. It's not a 10. Maybe that's a 10? That might be what it is. That doesn't even seem right either. Anyway, you get 3 of these, and they're the same. Weren't they different last month? I could have sworn they were. Either way, these are beautiful. I love those pops of purples along with the yellow and the ochre kind of color. It's so pretty. I love this combination of colors. It really is. They're contrasting on the scale, and it's just so nice. It really, that's what gives it that little extra oomph. And I feel like as we get farther towards summer, we're getting into spring, I feel like they are getting more color in each one. Like the winter months were a little way tamed back because flowers aren't really, you know, aren't blooming really. Very few, if any. So yeah, that's that entire kit there. That's what you get. And it's actually quite a bit. If you go to a, let's say an Etsy store and you got one of these, they go anywhere from, usually these would be around $4 to $5. Now you can get them cheaper than that, $3 to $6 sometimes, but once you add them all up, these here would be a good $5 to $6 normal. Maybe even more. Being the clear, I think that might cost a little extra. But yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these size. Then you get 3 of those size, this vellum, and then I cut this vellum down for tip-ins. Because it just looks really pretty with something in the background. Imagine putting something behind it. And I just said that's all the kit, but guess what? It isn't all the kit. So see? Got a lot of stuff here for the $35. And I think that's the price including shipping, if I remember correctly. If I'm not correct, well, there I go again, talking about things I don't know anything about. Wouldn't be the first time. So, yeah, I totally forgot there's more in here. Dummy. Anyway, here's the monthly, which I like to put a little bit of color behind it with a Tombow or something. See, is there a pink in here? Here's a pink. And it's a brush pen. Put a little bit of color and put this over the top of it, and it's so pretty. That's what I did with my March. And then I use my other one. You get 2 of them. The other one I use for in my reading journals for my book of the month. So I put April and book of the month. I finally made some stickers for book of the month, so I don't have to write it all out. Then there's a little die cut sticker. I believe it's a sticker. I'm pretty positive it's a sticker, but I don't know if you could see the foiling. Oh, I think you could. There you go, right there. The foiling. And you get this little sampler. This is like the size whenever you do get the freebies, you get 2 of these. And then the one big one, the bigger one being this one. You have to print it out yourself, though, so you can print it out on regular paper if you want, or sticker paper if you want to make it a sticker. But this is a sticker as well. And this really pretty card that has their information on it. But they're just, these are really pretty just to decorate with. Good for layering. Look at those colors. Like I said, I really love the combination of those two just together, contrasting off one another. So yeah, now that's all the kit. Okay, I'm a dingbat some days. But that's that, and I wanted to show y'all before I opened it up and started setting up for April, which I do sometimes do ahead of time when I you know, have a few extra minutes, I'm bored, I want to work in here, or I'm waiting for glue to dry, as I said already, for this other journal I'm starting, and it's going to be all pink paper. And right now it's drying, as I said. I have a piece of paper there. It's going to be black and pink. I keep a 5-pound bag of rice on it to flatten out the paper while it's drying. So this is going to be really cute. It's made out of a box, like I use for everything. I use that instead of having to buy cardstock or heavier chipboard, for which you need chipboard instead of the other. But anyway, I am rambling now, as I tend to do. I don't know why I'm like this. It's just one of those things I do. Welcome to my brain. So I'm gonna get out of here, maybe film a couple more of some of the hauls I've had recently, planner stuff, planner related, for little filler videos. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, do all the things, the likes and the subscribing and the sharing and the commenting and all the things you're supposed to do, evidently. Yes, please do that. And remember, you're beautiful just the way you are, and don't let anyone take away your shine. And I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.